My journey as a PGDM student at Vivekanand Business School has been truly inspiring and transformative. VBS is more than just a place to study. It's a dynamic platform that fuels your passion for business and prepare you for a success in a corporate world. Hi, I am Karan Diwakar, a first-year PGDM student at VBS, where every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. The faculty at VBS consists of industry veterans who bring real-world experience into the classroom, helping us to bridge the gap between the theory and practical, from interactive projects to case studies. Each lesson is carefully crafted to bring us closer to mastering the complexity of the business world. The PGDM program emphasizes practical skill, offering internships and live projects that allow us to apply our knowledge in real business scenario. This hands-on approach has boosted my confidence and expanded my professional network, opening doors to new opportunities. Beyond academics, VBS promote a vibrant community that encourage personal and professional growth. The campus is a hub of diverse culture and ideas, where students engage in extracurricular activities that enhance leadership and teamwork skills. The connections I have made at VBS are invaluable, shaping my future career and ensuring that I am prepared to make a significant impact in the business world. If you are passionate about business and ready to shape your future, VBS is a perfect place to start.